500 million buyers with credit cards. Why not open it up so that anyone can publish content? And that's where they are at right now. So Amazon does not charge you to open up an account. Takes you less than 10 minutes to get started. All countries are accepted. Every single person that is in a country outside of the US that's watching this can do this, regardless of what country you're in. As I said, I have students that are in over 120 countries that are doing this, 126 countries to be exact. You can get started using any device, your desktop, your laptop, your tablet, your cell phone. All right. Now, here's the formula, folks. It's modeling what's already selling. Is this super simple or not? It's modeling what's already selling. It's making sure that you're selling digital evergreen content, and it's making sure that you have a massive, massive customer audience. Massive. This is it. This is the formula distilled down to the most simplest way I can put it. This is what I needed to see. This is why I'm able to take the grandmother that's 70 years old who's never done anything online before and turn her into someone that's making $5,000 a month. This is why I'm able to take the firefighter from the UK, the gentleman that I spoke about earlier from Bognor Regis, who's making $5,000 a month. 47 years old, firefighter, never saw, or never did anything online before, saw my presentation, got involved, and because of the simplicity and the way that I lay it out, was able to see massive results. This is why I'm able to take the person that may have tried multiple courses and has had some online experience, but really hasn't hit the levels that they want to be at. And I'm able to get them to $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, because I'm starting at getting them to understand it in the most simplest basic form, and then getting them to make their first $10 a day. And oh, Jake, that's a great question. And then taking them to $100 a day. And then I can get you to $1,000 a day. Right. So Jake just asked a very cool question. Thank you, Jake, for asking that. Jake Curlin, he says, what is evergreen? So evergreen is something that you can sell forever. Evergreen is so here, Jake. So let's say if we were selling a recipe book that taught how to cook, how to bake Christmas cookies. Recipe book that taught how to bake Christmas cookies. When can we sell that? Well, we can sell it year round, right? But when will we get the most uh sales, Jake? When will we get the most sales? When do you guys think we would get the most sales? During the holidays, right? On Christmas, around Christmas, absolutely, the fall season. So is that evergreen? Yes or no? No, we want something that we can sell year round, make a massive amount of money from it, get customers day in and day out. Because we're putting in the work anyway, right? Like, listen, if you're putting the work in, you're putting your hour in a day or whatever it may be, you might as well sell something that's going to be evergreen. And that's one of the other secrets, folks. Does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense. It's not seasonal. Absolutely. Thank you, Brenda. Now, there's a lot more. With over 500 million of your customers' credit card numbers already on file, it's easy for people to buy your Kindle books once they're listed on Amazon. It's impulsive. There's no obstacles in the way of a sell. To show you how powerful this is, I want you to comment right now if you have a credit card on file. For those of you who missed out and you did not comment before, we now have a family engagement process going on. Everyone say yes if you have a credit card on file with Amazon. These folks are the individuals that are buying, and that's why it's so easy to make money with this stuff. Now, Amazon gives you 70%. So let's say if you sell $10,000 worth of your books, your content, right? You keep 7,000. They give you that 70% as long as you're within the guidelines, the pricing guidelines, which is very easy to fall between, right? It's like $2.99 to $9.99, meaning your books have to be priced between those price points. Amazon will give you 70%. They keep 30%. Okay. Now here, don't worry if you don't understand all of this at the moment. Just know that Amazon wants you to make money, because when you make money, they make money. Now, so here's the thing. You take all of this, you sit back, and you let Amazon do the work for you. All right. So here's a recap. Here's the three things that you need. You need, number one, a global platform. This is where the money is. Global, global, global. All right. Not just the US, not just Canada, not just the UK, not just your little state or